Hi everyone, this is H, and today we are discussing this puppet that I created for a music video recently. We are going to focus on the mechanisms because they are quite unique, I think, and they might give you good ideas on how to create your puppet. This is my first time using Lego as a building material for the mechanism, which was really exciting. So take a closer look. So we are talking about this guitarist singer puppet. His hand moves by a hidden string that I'm going to show you in a second. Basically, I'm just pulling this string. The entire rod goes through the table and connects in the back of the guitar. There's a rod that goes through the guitar and is connected to the lower arm, and the string turns the wheel that moves the entire lower arm, so the hand moves up and down. It was quite a challenge, and at the end it was a very simple solution that I really like about this puppet. Now this is one hand's job. The other one, at least the other one that I use, because this is a two-person controlled puppet, the other one controls the other hand that has 4 movable fingers. Each finger have 2 rubber bands inside the finger that goes through as they'd be the bones, rubber bones that move the fingers back to their original position. You can see how I built this Lego frame and these 4 buttons. They basically mirror my fingers as I push on them. And then there's a rubber band here that pulls the mechanism back, the button back to its position. It has really nice little finger movements. I tried to mimic the chords. I also use my foot to help for the rod and the arm to be balanced. And then my wife helped me with the head. The head is really simple. The rod that controls the head goes through the entire body of the puppet. And then you have this one string that I can pull on to move the lips. And as well, inside the mouth, there's a rubber band that pulls the mouth back to the original closed position. Yeah, the biggest challenge with this puppet was definitely the performance part. Although we had an entire day, an entire afternoon to shoot the music video, and it was a fairly simple story. It was only the singing, it was only the music, and sometimes we only controlled the hands, or other times we controlled the mouth for the close-up shots. But we definitely had to practice for a few days to work together and move this puppet. And it is something that we could do by watching from underneath, kind of looking up to the puppet. One major mistake I made, I don't know if you can see this, but I built the polymer head around a paper mache skull, which I made first. But then with time the paper mache started to act like a sponge. I think it was the humidity of the air that caused it. And the face itself got these scars now as the skull began to get bigger and just cracked it open. Which wasn't as bad as it is now for the shooting day. That is something to keep in mind if you are working with polymer clay. I hope you enjoyed this closer look to this puppet, and I hope it gave you some ideas. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section. Give it a like, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. All those things are really helpful for our channel. and see you in the next one.